This is Dubai, before the Burj Khalifa. Just sand, sky, and a bold dream.
I'm on top of the world, but the hardest part was down there. Loose shifting sand. The worst place to build a skyscraper.
Dubai wanted more than buildings. It wanted a global symbol.
Architects and engineers imagined a tower taller than anything on Earth.
The design was inspired by Islamic architecture and a desert flower.
Construction officially began in 2004.
The foundation had to support unimaginable weight.
Over 45,000 cubic meters of concrete were used underground. Both high-strength steel and concrete formed the tower's core.
The tower grew floor by floor, day and night.
Thousands of workers from around the world joined this mission.
Some of the tallest cranes ever built were used.
The shape reduces wind pressure as height increases. Special glass protects the building from extreme heat.
More than 26,000 glass panels were installed.
Inside, luxury meets futuristic design.
The Burj Khalifa has some of the fastest elevators in the world.
Mechanical systems keep the tower cool and stable. A complex system recycles water efficiently. Observation decks were built high above the city. From the top, Dubai looks like a miniature world. The spire pushed the tower past all world records. At 828 meters, it became the tallest building on Earth. Lighting transformed the tower into a night icon.
After years of work, the dream was complete. In 2010, Burj Khalifa officially opened.
Fireworks celebrated a new world landmark.
People from all over the world came to see it.
The tower includes hotels, homes, and offices.
Dining here feels like eating in the sky.
Visitors experience the world from above. The tower became the heart of Dubai's skyline.
By day or night, it dominates the horizon.
Below, fountains dance in perfect rhythm.
Burj Khalifa represents ambition without limits.
It proves what humans can achieve together.
The tower stands as a symbol of the UAE.
It doesn't just touch the sky, it lives in it.
From desert sand to global wonder. Burj Khalifa, the tallest dream ever built.